hello. Good evening, friends. How are you all? I hope everybody is fine. I hope my audio and video is fine. Those who have joined, please reply in chat box if my audio and video is fine or not. Correct, na? Please reply in my chat box. Please press the like button if you have joined. I will come to know. I hope you remember that we were doing mega revision for CA Foundation. We were doing all the important chapters, which is, not important chapters. Each and every chapter we are covering an important sum, sir. Hello, Akshay. How are you? Please tell your friends to join fast because it's exact the time that we promised to start. So I'm here with you. So you should also be joining fast only, na? Yes, sir. Please ask your friends to join fast. Those who are joining, please reply in chat box. Yes, you have joined and we can start, sir. Yes. Shall we start? What do you say? Yes, sir. I think everybody has started joining, sir. Yes, sir. Everybody has started joining. Those who are joining, please write something chat box that you have joined. Yes, sir. Chalo, let's start. It's time and we should not waste time. Let's start today's class with sum number 20. I'll start with sum number 20. This sum is relating to your company accounts chapter, issue and forfeiture of share. Correct? You remember the chapter? Okay. So let's start. What are they asking, sir? Let's read that first. Pass the necessary journal entries of the company to record the above transaction. Okay. Beautiful Company Limited issued 30,000 equity share of 10 each. So they have issued how many shares? 30,000 share. Face value of each share is 10 rupees. As 3 per share on application. Application money is 3. 5 per share including 2 rupees premium on allotment. Acha, it includes premium also. Okay. And 4 per share on call money. So there is only one call, which is 4 rupees. All the shares were subscribed. Okay. Money due on all shares were fully received except from Ram holding 500 shares who failed to pay allotment and call money. Sorry, there is one person, Mr. Ram, who could not pay allotment money as well as call money. Okay. And Sham holding 1,000 shares who failed to pay call money. And there is one more person, Sham, who has failed to pay call money. All those 1,500 shares were forfeited. So 1,000 plus 500, all the 1,500 shares were forfeited. Of the shares forfeited, 1,250 shares, including whole of Ram shares, were subsequently reissued to Jadu as fully paid up at a discount of 2 per share. So out of 1,500 shares, 1,250 shares are reissued, sir. Okay. And that too at a discount of 2 means it is reissued at 8 rupees. Correct? They are saying pass the journal entries. So let's do the journal entries. I think this is very easy only. So let's start, sir. This is our question number 20. Question number 20. Books of. What is the name of the company? Beautiful Company Limited. Beautiful Company Limited. Journal. Okay? Journal. First, we are going to receive the application money. So when you receive the application money, entry will be bank account debit to equity share application account. Correct? 30,000 share application money is 3 per share. On 30,000 shares at the rate 3, we are going to receive how much? 90,000. Narration you can handle, correct? Okay. Now next entry, equity share application account debit to equity share capital 90,000. So first we have received the application money, then we have allotted the shares. So application money transferred to capital. Next is allotment. So first we have to do the due entry. So what is the due entry? Equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital to securities premium account. Correct? So sir, your allotment money is 5 rupees, out of which 2 is premium, 3 is capital. So we are going to ask this money on how many shares? 30,000 shares. 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9, and 3 2s are 6. Due. Sure? Now after this due, what to do, sir? Due is done? Yes, sir. Now we are going to receive the money. Will everyone give the money? No, sir. Mr. Ram is not giving the money. So those who are giving the money, for them bank account debit. And those who are not giving the money, for them calls in arrear account debit. Calls in arrear account debit to equity share allotment account. Check karo, is the entry correct or not? Done? Okay. Allotment money is 1,50,000. Ram was holding how many shares? 500 shares. So on 500 shares, he did not pay allotment money 5. That means 2,500. So how much money we have received? 147,500. Those who have joined, please reply in chat box. Yes, sir, we have joined. Huh? I'm waiting for your reply. Okay, sir. Sir, should we reply or should we write? You tell us. Acha, theek hai, you write. Now, after allotment, next is call money. So, equity share, first and final call, account debit to equity share capital. Call money is 4 per share. So on 30,000 share, at the rate 4 will be made due. That is 1,20,000. Now we are going to receive this money. But will everybody give money? No, sir. Those who give money, for them bank debit. Those who do not give money, for them calls in arrear debit to equity share final call. Final call is at the rate 4 rupees, right? So 1,20,000. So Ram was holding 500 shares. On each he did not give 4 rupees, 2,000. And Shyam is holding 1,000 share. At the rate 4, he did not give 4,000. So total arrear is how much? 6,000 only. Total arrear is how much? 6,000 only. Check it out, sir. $6,000 only. Correct. Now the money received is actually 1,14,000. After this, they are saying they have forfeited all the 1,500 shares. That means they have forfeited Ram share as well as Shyam share. Let's talk about Ram. Ram did not pay allotment and call money, correct? So he has paid application money. Where is the premium? Premium is in allotment. He did not pay allotment means he did not pay the premium also. He did not pay means company has not received the premium. Now if securities premium is not realized in cash, then securities premium will also be cancelled at the time of forfeiture. So entry will become equity share. I am cancelling Ram share only now. Equity share capital account debit. Securities premium account debit. 2 calls in arrear, 2 forfeited share. I am doing forfeiture entry for whom? For Ram. Face value was 10, securities premium 2. Ram was holding 500 shares, na? Yes, sir. So 500 into 10, that is 5,000. 500 into 1,000. Ram's arrear at the time of allotment was 2,500. And in final call, it was 2,000. Total arrear is 4,500. So 6,000 minus 4,500 is 1,500. Correct? Those who are joining, please reply in chat box that you have joined, huh? And please press the like button also so that I know that you have joined. Okay, sir. Next. Now, after forfeiture, we are going to forfeit Shyam share also. Shyam has not paid only call money. So, he has paid application and allotment. If he has paid allotment, means he has paid the premium also. If he has paid premium, company has received premium. Premium realized in cash. So, at the time of forfeiture, premium will not be cancelled. So, for his forfeiture, entry will be equity share capital account debit, 2 calls in arrear, 2 forfeited shares. Face value 10, there were 1,000 share. So that is 10,000. His arrear was 4,000. So that means amount forfeited is 6,000. Correct? Now one question. Ram say we have forfeited 1,500 rupees. On how many shares? On 500 shares, na? So on each share we have forfeited 3 rupees from Ram. So you can say this way, on 500 at the rate 3 we have forfeited 1,500. Correct? Now talk about Shyam. Shyam say we have forfeited 6,000 on 1,000 share, na? So per share we have forfeited 6,000 by 1,000, that is 6 per share. So in other words you can say on 1,000 share at the rate 6,000 we have forfeited. Correct? Yes, sir. After forfeiture, we are going to reissue 1250 shares only. 250 shares are not yet issued. So when you reissue, entry should be bank account debit, forfeited shares account debit, 2 equity share capital. 10 ka share reissued at 2 rupees discount 8 is the reissue price. When we have reissued 1250 shares out of 1500 shares forfeited, the 1250 multiplied by 8, we are getting how much? 10,000. 1250 into 2, that is 2500. This is 12,500. Now profit on reissue will be transferred to capital reserve. You know that? So entry will be forfeited shares account debit to capital reserve. But we need to do a working note. Calculation of profit on reissue. Correct? One person was Ram and one person was Shyam. Ram Shyam. Chalo, let me write. Amount forfeited per share. Just now we discussed, from Ram we have forfeited 3 and from Shyam we have forfeited 6. So 3 and 6 minus discount on reissue per share. Discount was given 2 rupees. So this is profit on reissue per share. Now we need to find total profit on reissue. Correct na? Reissue. They said in 1250 Ram's whole share were reissued. Means Ram's 500 shares were forfeited. So 500 share is reissued. So rest share which we have reissued is Shyam share. So rest share is how much? 1750. In Ram share there is a profit of 1 per share. So total profit 500. In Shyam share there is a profit of 4 per share. 750 into 4. That is 3000. So total profit on reissue is 3500. These sums are very easy actually. Bolo. Till now, do we have any doubt? Tell me. Till now, do we have any doubts? No, sir. Sure, sir. Confident, sir. Okay. So 3500. So we should write here 35. Sum completed. Good evening, Akash. Shall we proceed? Okay. Let's come to question number 21. This is regarding debenture, huh? Debenture. D Limited issued 5,000, 9% debenture of 100 each. So 5,000 debentures issued, 9% is the interest rate at 10% premium. So debenture are issued at premium, which will be redeemable after 5 years at 40% premium. 5 is missing, huh? Redeemable after 5 years, that's fine. But redeemable at premium. They are saying journal entry for this issue. So one journal entry issued at premium, redeemable at premium. So if they are saying redeemable at premium, then what to do? Question 21. Books of D Limited. Journal. What will be the journal entry? Bank account debit. Bank account debit. Loss on issue of debenture. Account debit. 2. 9% debenture. 2. Securities premium. And 2. Premium on redemption of preference share. Premium on redemption of preference share. Done, sir? Now you need to concentrate. Face value was 100, issued at 10% premium, means 110. So issue price is actually 110. Face value 100 will go to debenture, and 10 rupees will go to securities premium. How many debentures were issued? Answer is 5,000. So in order to fill this figure, you just multiply them with 5,000. So 5,000 into 110. So this will give you 5,50,000. This is 5 lakh and this is 50,000. Correct? Okay. Next. Shall we proceed? These are redeemable at 40% premium na. So 100 rupees ka 40% will be 40 rupees is the premium on redemption. So 40 will be premium and loss. On how many debentures? 5,000. So multiplied by 5,000, 5 for the 20. 2 lakh here and 2 lakh here. Complete entry. Done, sir. Narration to you can handle. Correct? This much you have understood. So this part is very easy actually. Chalo, let me do one more point in debenture. How to write off loss on issue of debenture or discount on issue of debenture. See, let's see this. G Limited issued rupees 10 lakh 8% debenture. Okay. At 6% discount. So 10 lakh ka 6%. 60,000 is the discount amount, which will be redeemable after 5 years at par. Acha, redeemable at par hai. So if they are redeemable at par, so this 60,000 discount on issue of debenture is our loss na? Haan. Discuss how the discount will be written off over the 5 years. How will you write off? 3 different cases are given. I am reading case number 1. When the debentures will be redeemed in lump sum. So in case of lump sum redemption, you know, straight line method is used. Means the entire discount will be written off over the life of the debenture equally. Correct? So let me present it for you. How to present this? There go question number 22. You can say it discount on issue of debenture, or if you don't like this word, you can say it is loss on issue of debenture. One and the same thing only, sir. So your debenture is worth 10 lakh, discount was 6%. So basically it is 60,000. Correct? Now let me write the first case for you. Case number 1. What are they saying? When debentures will be redeemed in lump sum. When debenture will be redeemed in lump sum after 5 years. After 5 years. What to do, sir? When debentures will be redeemed in lump sum after 5 years, what to do? Bolo, what to do? Then, how much? In short, I call it Lloyd. Loss on issue of debenture ko I will say Lloyd. Lloyd to be written off per annum. Per annum means annually. That means we have to divide 60,000 loss over the period of 5 years. Means every year you are going to write off 12,000. First year 12,000, second year 12,000, third year 12,000. That way. Shall we proceed? Next one. When the debentures will be redeemed in 5 equal annual installment. Let me write. When debenture will be redeemed in 5 equal annual installment. So when debenture will be redeemed in 5 equal annual installment, then we should apply sum of year digit method. Sir, how? I'll show you. Sum of year digit method. Solution. So I'm writing sum of years digit. Year is 5. The 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Total is 15. Lloyd to be written off every year. How much Lloyd to be written off every year, sir? Every year. How much Lloyd to be written off every year? Yes, sir. Shall we proceed? Lloyd to be written off every year. First year, then we write ratio, then we can write here workings and Lloyd written off. Year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5. And the ratio will be just opposite. It will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 years they said, no? Total is 15. So 60,000. First year we are going to write off 5 by 15. Second year we are going to write off 4 by 15. Next year they are going to write off 3 by 15. Next year they are going to write off 2 by 15. And next year they are going to write off 1 by 15. Correct? So 60,000 divided by 15, 4. 4 5s are 20. Oh, I should write it here. 4 4s are 16. 4 3s are 12. 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. So 60,000 will be written off over the years like this. Correct? One more case is there. Rupees 2 lakh was redeemed at the end of first year. The first year you are redeeming 2 lakh. 1 lakh was redeemed at the end of second year. 2 lakh at the end of third year. 1 lakh at the end of fourth year. And balance at the end. Means the debentures are being redeemed every year, but not in equal amount, but in unequal amount. In such case, the loss on issue of debenture will be written off in the ratio of debenture utilized. Correct? In the ratio of debenture utilized. So case C, debentures are redeemed over 5 years by way of unequal drawings, not equal, unequal drawings. Same kind of statement I'll prepare. It will Lloyd to be written off per annum. One column will be year, next column will be debenture utilized. We have to find how much debenture is utilized every year. Then the ratio, then we can write workings, then we can write Lloyd written off. Now you have to pay attention. Year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5. Year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5. Now I need reply in chat box. Everybody has written up to this? Yes sir, then we can proceed. Yes sir. So let me proceed. First year mein I have issued 10 lakh ka debenture. So at the beginning of the year I had 10 lakh. At first year end I redeemed 2 lakh. So 8 lakh ka debenture is left at the end of second year, first year. But entire year how much debenture was there? 10 lakh na. 2 lakh to you have redeemed at the end of the year. So entire first year, can I say you have utilized 10 lakh ka debenture? So closing balance of debenture is kitna? 8 lakh. So year 2 ka starting mein, at the start of year 2, you will be having 8 lakh debenture. Now in second year you are going to redeem 1 lakh. So 7 lakh will be left. But entire year to you have used 8 lakh ka debenture na. 1 lakh to redeem at the end of the second year. So second year end ka balance will be 7 lakh. So third year ka starting ka balance is 7 lakh. So full third year you will use 7 lakh ka debenture. And at the end you are redeeming 2 lakh. So how much left? 5 lakh. So at the beginning of fifth year you have 5 lakh ka debenture. Now this 5 lakh ka debenture will be used for full year. Now at the end of this year, at the end of fourth year, you are going to redeem 1 lakh. So fourth year के end में you are left with 4 lakh. तो fifth year के starting में you have 4 lakh. And balance whole 4 lakh is redeemed at the end of fifth year. So sir, so then to no debenture is left na afterwards. So this is the ratio of debenture. The ratio will be 10:8:7:5:4. So this is the ratio. Now in this ratio we have to write off that 60,000. 10 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5 plus 4. Total is 34. So first year you are going to write off 60,000 into 10 by 34. Next year you are going to write off 60,000 into 8 by 34. Next year you are going to write off 16 to 7 by 34. Next year you are going to write off 16 to 5 by 34. Next year you are going to write off 16 to 4 by 34. Correct? So let me check. 60,000 into 10 divided by 34. 17,647. 60,000 into 8 divided by 34. It is 14,118. 60,000 into 7 divided by 34. 12353. 60,000 into 5 divided by 34. 8824. Last one is 7058. 60,000. 7058. Check karo. Check it out. So this type of sum is frequently asked in exam. Okay, how much discount, or you can say how much loss on issue of debenture is to be written off every year. So remember, if lump sum redemption, then follow straight line method. Divide your Lloyd equally over the life. If redemption is by way of equal annual drawings, equal, then use sum of year digit method. And if it is unequal amount, then find the debenture utilized, in that ratio divide your Lloyd. Correct? What say? Please reply in chat box. Yes sir, done. At least few of you should reply yes sir, done, done sir, done sir, done. Done sir. Chalo, I will do one small sum sir. Question number 23. This sum is from accounting process. Very basic sum. It's relating to accounting equation basically. Let me read. Following is the information provided by Mr. Gopi pertaining to the year ended 31st March 19. Year ending is 31st March 19. Find the unknown showing computation to support your answer. So you have to find the unknown figures. Acha, machinery is to our asset only. Account payable, creditor, this is our liability. Inventory is our asset. Total liability including capital means liability plus capital they have given. Cash is also an asset, but it is unknown. They have not given the figure. We have to find this. Bank is also an asset. It is given. Trade receivable is also asset, but we have to find it, not given. Loan is your liability, not given. We have to find. Closing capital. Closing capital is represented by C1. Achha, all these assets are at the end of the year. We call it A1. Liability at the end of the year 1. Opening capital C0. Opening capital is given. Loss incurred during the year is given. Capital introduced during the year. Further capital is also given. Now in additional information they are saying, during the year sale of 15,55,000 was made. So how much sale was made? 15,55,000. Very good. Of which 15 lakh has been received. How much has been received? 15 lakh. So you tell me, out of 15 lakh 55, if 15 lakh you have received, so 55 you have not received from customer. Not received means receivable, means it is your debtor or trade receivable. The first point we can find, sir, very easily. Kahan gaya? Question number 23. I'm doing question 23. Dekho, point number 1. Sales during the year is 15,55,000. Out of which how much collection has been done? 15 lakh. So 55,000 is yet to be collected. So basically it is our trade receivable only. Trade receivable only. So trade receivable means it is point number B. So point number B we have found out. Correct. Now let me talk about capital, sir. Opening capital is represented by C0. Huh? I can write for you like this also. Dekho. Opening capital is given. How much was given? It is 10 lakh rupees. With opening capital, loss should be deducted. Loss during the year 35,000. And additions to capital, additional capital, they are saying in last line, capital introduced 1 lakh. So it should be added. So our closing capital, I can say now my closing capital is 10 lakh plus 1 lakh minus 35,000. 10 lakh 65,000 closing capital. It was given. Point number D we have found out. And I represent closing capital as C1 and opening capital is C0 actually. Very good, Hari Kishan Dubeji. Very good. Next, shall we proceed? Sir, you see, liability plus capital is 1415. Try and understand. Liability at the end of the year plus capital at the end of the year is 14,50,000. Liability I don't know, but closing capital is 10,65,000. Sir. That means liability we can say 14,50,000 minus 10,65,000. Well, you understood? So 14,15,000 minus 10,65,000. So liability, total liability is 3,50,000. Did they ask you to find total liability? No. It's okay. It's okay. But total liability mein what are the items with us? Let us check that now. What are liability? Account payable is 1 lakh. So total liability mein we have one account payable plus what other liabilities are given? Let me check. L. Loan is given. Loan. So one is loan. Loan. Any other liability? No, sir. So can I say this total is actually 350? There are only two liabilities. So total liability is account payable plus loan. So it should be equals to 350. Out of which I know my account payable is 1 lakh. Account payable I know it is 1 lakh. I don't know the loan. So can't I find loan? Bolna re. Tell me na. Loan is 3,50,000 minus 1 lakh. That is 2,50,000. And loan is point number C. So basically we have found for you point number C. One more point. Liability plus capital. This is equals to nothing but asset at the end of the year. Arey Baba, total of liability side should be equals to total of asset. Now liability plus capital is 1415. Arey Baba. 14 lakh 15. That to we know. So can I write my asset is equals to 14 lakh 15,000? Now in asset what are the items given? One is machinery. Let me write. One is machinery plus inventories plus cash plus bank plus trade receivable. So these are your asset. So this should be equals to total 1415. Out of which machinery is 12 lakh. Let me write. Machinery is 12 lakh. Your inventories are 60,000. Your cash is point number A. So cash I don't know. Bank I know 80,000. And trade receivable, so just now we have calculated 55. This is 14 lakh 15,000. So can't you find cash now? So 14 lakh 15 minus this side ka total 12, 60, 80, 55. That is 13 lakh 95. So your cash balance is basically 20,000. This is point number A. These are basic, sir. But you cannot leave this kind of sums. From exam point of view, I'm saying. Don't worry, today's lecture will finish very quickly, sir. Correct? Shall we proceed? Okay. Now let me check we have found out all the points or not. Have you found out cash, sir? Yes, sir, just now. Have you found out trade receivable? Yes, sir. Loan? Yes, sir. Closing capital? Yes. So sum solved, sum finish. Finish, sir, finish. Done, sir. Last sum is left for me. This is regarding sales day book, sir. So what to read, sir? Enter the following, sorry, not sales day book. In purchase book and post them into ledger. You have to make purchase day book and you have to post them into ledger. So, sir, question number 24 for you. So we are preparing purchase day book first. I hope you remember the format. What is the format actually? First column is date column. Then we write particulars. Then we write gross amount. Then we make a column for trade discount. Then net amount. Then we make a column for freight. Then one column for total. So these are the columns that we make in a purchase day book. Now after that, so it is very simple. You have to read and write. You have to just copy the data. So do they give day books also in exam? Yes, they do give. They have given many times. These are all easy kind of sums, but you cannot leave, sir. That's why I am also doing it. Chalo. Let's check. What are these, sir? One by one. Date is 4th April. So let me write in date column. 4th of April. What is the year? 2019. Purchase from Ajay Enterprises Delhi. The name of the person is Ajay Enterprises. Underline. What have you purchased? 100 dozen Rexona Hawaii chappal. So you have to write like this. 100 dozen Rexona Hawaii chappal. At the rate 1200 per dozen. At the rate rupees 1200 per dozen. In inner column I will write 100 multiplied by 1200, that is 1,20,000. Inner. Not in gross, inner. Next, 200 dozen palki leather chappal. 200 dozen palki leather chappals. At the rate 3,000 per dozen. At the rate rupees 3,000 per dozen. So 3,000 into 200. 3,000 into 200. 6 lakh. So in gross amount, you should write 7,20,000 in gross column. Gross column. Correct. Less trade discount 10%. So we have to write like this. Less trade discount at the rate 10%. So 7,20,000 is 10% will be trade discount in trade discount column 72,000. Now 7,20,000 minus 72,000. Net amount is 6,48,000. Net amount is 6,48,000. They said freight charge is 1,500. So then in freight column you write 15. Now in total column 6,48,000 plus 1,500. That it should be 6,49,500. 649,500. So it is only to copy na beta. You just need to copy this data. There is nothing to explain also here in purchase day book. Day book mein what to explain? What should I explain? Done, copied. Next. Next purchase is on 15th April. So let's write the date. 15th April 19. Purchase from Balaji Traders Delhi. So let's write the name of the party. Balaji Traders. Balaji Traders. Correct. Now read 50 dozen max shoes. So let me write like this. 50 dozen max shoes. At the rate 4,000 per dozen. At the rate rupees 4,000 per dozen. 4,000 into 50, 2 lakh. Awake, how are you? Awake, what is your real name? You have used this pseudonym Awake, but what is your real name? Next, 100 pair sports shoes. So let me copy this. 100 pair sports shoes at the rate 1400 per pair. At the rate 1400 per pair. So 100 into 1400, 1,40,000. So in gross column, you must be writing total 3,40,000. Gross column. ऋषभ सर कौन सा चैप्टर है? दिस इज परचेज डे बुक. This is accounting process. In your institute math, it is accounting process. Beta. Okay. 3,40,000. Correct. Now from here they said trade discount is 10%. Trade discount is 10%. अरे बताया तो नालायक. This chapter is accounting process. 10%. So 3,40,000 10% will be 34,000. So trade discount will be 34,000. So we are left with 3,06,000. So your net purchase is actually 3,06,000. Next they are saying freight is 2,000. So in freight column you write 2,000. So 3,06,000 plus 2, total amount payable to supplier is 3,08,000. Total amount payable to supplier is 3,08,000. Okay. Next purchase is on 28th of April. 28th April 19. Purchase from Tripti Industries. Let me write. Tripti Industries. Tripti Industries. 40 pair leather shoes. Let us write 40 pairs leather shoes at the rate 4,000 per pair. At the rate 4,000 per pair. So 4,000 into 40, I think 1,60,000. One more item is there. 100 dozen rosy Hawaii chappal. Wow, what name? 100 dozen rosy Hawaii chappal. 100 dozen rosy Hawaii chappal at the rate 1,800 per dozen. At the rate 1,800 per dozen. So 1,800 into 100, that is 1,80,000. 1,80,000 plus 1,60,000. So gross amount is 3,40,000. Gross amount. Gross amount. Correct. Now from gross amount, less trade discount 10%. So less trade discount 10%. 10% means trade discount is 34,000. So net amount will become 3,06,000 again. Freight is 1,000. 1,000 is your freight, correct na? So total will become 3,07,000. 3,07,000. Now all the purchases are completed. So all these columns need to be totaled. After this you need to total this. The gross column 340 plus 340 plus 720. The total of gross column is 14 lakh. Total of trade discount column is 1,40,000. Total of net column, net amount column is 12,60,000. Check it out. Total of freight column is 2, 3, 4, 4,500. 4,500. And the total of total column is 12,64,500. You total this column now. Low. Correct? Can we proceed? So day book is complete, but now they want us to show the postings also. So you know the rule, individual transaction will be posted to individual creditor account. There are 3 creditors this time. One is Ajay, one is Balaji, one is Tripti. And the periodical total will be posted to purchase account and freight account. So let us draw this 3 creditor first. First is Ajay Enterprises. I am preparing Ajay Enterprises. 3 to 4 lines will be more than enough. Next is Balaji Traders. Next is Tripti Industries. And 2 more accounts required, sir. One is purchase account and one is freight account. So 3 plus 2, 5 accounts are there. So please draw this account, sir. Done, sir? Let me draw the format. I'm not drawing that journal folio column, huh? So please don't say, sir, your format is wrong. You draw if you want to. I am not drawing. Debit, credit, debit, credit, debit, credit, debit, credit, debit, credit. Thank you, Rishabh, beta. We have few more lectures. Rather, this is day 4 only. There are 3 more lectures which I have already taken live classes. If you want, you can see those classes also. That can be helpful for you. Today, though, we are finishing everything. Shall we proceed? Once you are ready with the accounts, let me know. Once you are ready, just let me know. Don't worry, ऋषभ, मेरे हिंदी लेक्चर्स भी हैं, इंग्लिश लेक्चर्स भी हैं. एंड इफ यू वांट, मेरे गूगल ड्राइव पेन ड्राइव क्लासेस भी होते हैं, आप वो भी ले सकते हो. आप लोगों को शायद पता नहीं है, मैं बता देता हूँ. मेरे गूगल ड्राइव पेन ड्राइव क्लासेस मिलते हैं, सारे कोर्सेज के हैं. तो अगर आपको कभी चाहिए होगा तो आप बताना, कांटेक्ट करना. थैंक यू ऋषभ. अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी शेयर करो वीडियो. डू शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो. चलो, लेट्स प्रोसीड. Sir, first one. First purchase is with Ajay. So when you're doing purchase with Ajay, entry is what? What is the journal entry? Entry is purchase account debit. We have to pay freight also. So freight account debit to Ajay Enterprises na. Purchase का net amount was 6,48,000. Freight was 1,500. So total will be 649,500. Correct? Now we need to give posting of this entry only now. So go to Ajay Enterprises. Go to Ajay Enterprises. What was the date, sir? I forgot the date. 4th April. Yes. 4th April 2019. So it was purchase debit, freight debit to Ajay. So in Ajay we will be doing posting by purchase 6,48,000. Rishabh, you can WhatsApp me after class also. Huh? If you want, this is my WhatsApp number. You WhatsApp me after class. Acha, 648 and by freight. Freight was how much? 1,500. Should we do entry in purchase and freight today? No, sir. Periodical total will be posted there. Correct? Next, Balaji Traders. See these two amounts. These are important. Purchase is 3,06,000. Freight is 2,000. So go and write 15,419. Same logic. Purchase debit, freight debit to Balaji. So in Balaji we are posting by purchase. By purchase. It was 3,06,000. And then by freight 2,000. Similarly, now go for Tripti. Tripti's purchase is 3,06,000, 1,000 is freight. So in Tripti account on 28/8/19, sorry, not 28/8, 28/4/19. I hope you have written 4 here. Oh, it is 4, huh? Not 8. 28/4/19 by purchase. Your purchase net figure was 3,06,000. And by freight 1,000. Posting complete? No, sir. Individual transactions have been posted to individual creditor account. Now the periodical total, this one, 1260, will be posted to purchase at the end of the period. Period end is 30th April. So 30th April 19. I'm going to post all the creditor together. Entries purchase to creditor na. So I am writing purchase to sundries. Sundries means all taken together. All taken together. Okay. So what was the amount? 12,60,000. Give a hyphen and write. You have taken this amount from where? Purchase book. So amount as per purchase book. You need to write this. Otherwise they will deduct marks. Amount as per purchase book. Okay. Again freight. Freight ka total is how much? 4,500. Same entry, sir. Same. On 30th April. Arey Baba, purchase debit, freight debit to creditor. So freight to creditor. But we are posting all the credit together. Two sundries. Sundries means all 4,500. Again, this amount is also from where? Purchase book. Now, amount as per purchase book. Amount as per purchase book. So, do we need to balance this account? No. They did not tell you to balance. They only say to show the posting. They've only told you in the first line. They go They are saying to post. Only posting is required. Balancing is not required. They did not ask for balance. Why should we balance, sir? Those who are joining for the first time, do like this video if possible. Do subscribe because I am going to upload very nice videos for you which will be helpful to you. And if you want to follow me on social media, the details are given in the description box. You can follow me there. You'll get to many good things. I keep sharing knowledge. So if you want to take knowledge from me. Sir, done, sir? Yes, sir. So, sir, this is done. 24 also done. Wow! Completed. That's all, sir. Today's class was short, sir, because we have done the hard work last 3 days now. Those who have not watched the last 3 lectures, do watch it. It's in my YouTube channel only. Do watch it. Yeah, na? I hope I have tried my level best to do this quick revision, and I have taken very little time. If you ask me, the 2.5 into 3 days plus how much time I have taken today? 1. Around 8.5 hours I have invested, and I have tried to summarize everything in this 8.5 hours. So my request is, please share this video with everyone. I've tried my best. I think these are the sums which I have done in class are very important for this term's exam. So make sure you don't leave these sums and don't leave any concept. ठीक है ना? So all the best from my side, sir. ठीक है ना? All the very best. I wish you all the luck. If you have any doubts na, after this video, you can write in the comment box. I will try to solve your doubts. ठीक है? I always try to solve it. So please write in comment box your doubts. So I will always help you. So all the best. Please share this video with everyone. If possible, subscribe this channel and stay tuned. Few new stuffs will also be coming. Okay, na? I'll be sharing more stuffs for your exam. So thank you so much for the day. God bless you. Bye bye, sir. God bless you. Subscribe the channel.